Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to replace the taskbar search box with the search icon in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click H key current user. Click Software. Click Microsoft. Click Windows. Click Current Version. Click Search Folder. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type search box taskbar mode. Modify value to 1. Close and exit registry. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.